Hey guys, Gaurav back in another video. So in today's video I will do the unboxing of BlackBerry Key 2. It's an Android smartphone by BlackBerry. So let's begin. So guys, this is the box for this BlackBerry Key 2. As you can see, it says Android BlackBerry Key 2, and the pricing is 47,990, approximately 50,000, and the specs are Android 8.1, and the screen is 5.4 inches, full HD display, 12 megapixel camera plus 12 mega dual camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage. It has a 3500 mAh battery, and it also has Qualcomm quick charge technology, and the processor is Snapdragon 660. So let's start the unboxing. So guys, I have removed the plastic covers and we have a seal over here. Let me just break this seal. So as you can see, and we open the box like this. So as you can see, right away you can see the phone. That's the BlackBerry Key 2, and it's, let me just take this phone out. So as you can see, this is the phone. It has a keypad over here, and this is a touch screen. Let me just keep this phone aside and let's see what comes inside the box. So we have a quick start guide. It says action starts here. So let me just see what comes inside this. So we have a SIM card ejector tool and some quick start guide in this, and we also have a BlackBerry sticker. So these are the things. You can just keep this side, and here we have this compartment. So the first one is for the charging brick. Let me just take the charging brick out. So as you can see, this is the charging brick, and it does have Qualcomm quick charge. So this is the charger, and let me just see the output rating. So it says 5 volts 3 amps. So it's a fast charger which we get in the box. We have a USB port over here. So let me just keep this aside, and this is I guess the cable. Yeah, as you can see, so it's nice to see that this phone is type C supported, and here we have the earphones. So as you can see, these are the earphones, and I think that they're, yeah, and they are in ear style, and they are also BlackBerry branded. So, and we also have some ear tips, extra ear tips. So let me just keep all these things aside and bring the phone itself. So guys, this is the phone itself, the BlackBerry Key 2. So as you can see, let me just remove this protector. So, and we also have this on the front. So let me just remove this. So as you can see, this is the BlackBerry Key 2. Let me just first give you a physical overview. On the front, we have 8 megapixel front camera, and on the bottom we have speakers and Type C port. On this end we have volume rockers. This is the power on off button, the middle one, and the last button is for the camera trigger. On the back we have dual 12 megapixel camera with LED flash and BlackBerry branding. On the top we have a 3.5 headphone jack with secondary speaker. So let me just power on this phone. So it gives me a haptic feedback. As you can see, it says BlackBerry powered by Android. So, and the Android version that it has is Oreo. So guys, like any other Android phone, this has the same UI. This phone is not mine. This phone is of my brother, so he need to set this. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video of unboxing of BlackBerry Key 2. If you do like the video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.